Hello people, today we are talking in the 6th chapter about dynamic screen, is very important one. So you have many options here. For example, transits and progressions. I'm working the most with transits. So we choose the starting date that we want to see the transits. So let's say 1st of January 2018. For 1 year, okay, for Bill Gates, let's say in New York, and here you have the list of what is happened here and which are the aspects between the transit planet and the natal planet of Bill Gates. Okay. Another example, graphic and ephemerides. For example, you want ephemerides starting with 1st of January 2018 for 1 year. For Brigitte Bardot. Okay. And see what is happening. This is, let's see. These are important, you see, the aspects. Here is a view that is not actually day by day used by the astrologers. Only if you like and you feel that you are accommodated with it. Otherwise, it's not so useful. Eclipse search. For example, let's search for 2018. We have 3 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. The dates, the sign in which it happened, okay, the family that is belongs to Sarge, okay, is the family of the eclipses, okay. Ephemerides generator. Let's say that you want from January 2018 to December 2018 for every day. Okay. Here you can put the time zone that you wish. Okay. And here you have the table that you can export it in XLS format. And here you have, you see, in the 1st of January 2018, Jupiter is in 16 degrees in Scorpio and 46 minutes. Okay. Also, you can choose item to list more than you hopefully have seen in the table. Okay, dynamic calendar. Here is interesting. For each month, or only 7 days, right? Only one, but for an entire month, it's interesting. You see, if you look, it's about what kind of aspects are made, the phase of the moon, the ingress of the moon. You see, very interesting, and you can export it also. Okay, what we have here, real-time clock is the date, the present date in right moment. Animate chart you can find here, so you can find animated chart here or here. It's the same things, but the entering is the difference. So now here we can play with the chart of the Rigibardo. Here is let's see, Bill Gates. Here is very useful to enter directly here. Here also you have all kinds of formats to see the chart, animated chart, okay? But I'm using the standard one. So this is about the dynamic. Also you have electional search. For example, traditional ruler of Jupiter in water signs for Bill Gates. Let's see. January 2018. You see, which is uh, the traditional master and of the Scorpio is the Mars, and the ingress of Mars is on the 26th of January 2018 at 7:56 in New York. You see, 00 in Sagittarius. You have a lot of electional search. You see, houses, aspects, in phase, at position, midpoints, first house in water sign. Okay, this is it. Okay, bye.